Right. Yeah, the parts are in stock. Yeah. No problem. Thanks so much. Right. Alright guys, today we have an asus ux303l 303L, and we have a power jack issue. So we're gonna and we are at powerjackrepair.net or powerjackrepair.org, and we charge $100 to replace the jack on those laptops. So I'm gonna show you how to, and the jack is right here, So I'm gonna show you how to take it apart and how to replace the jack. This is the first time we get this system here, so my guess it's a relatively new system, not that old. So if you like the video, leave a like. If you want us to fix it, you could send it to us, we can fix it. During the video I will probably get a bunch of calls from people calling, and I might have some clients stopping by, so if you see that something got stuck for a long time, just fast forward the video. It's gonna be time saving for you. So yeah, all the screws you see on the bottom, just take them off. Like that. And like that. So yeah, I mean, if you send the whole laptop, you charge $100. That includes everything, the labor, the parts, and the shipping back to you. Let's see if there's a... Okay, so that's supposed to come out. No, there might be screws right here under the pad, maybe. Let's see if you can take the pad off. Yeah, there's a screw right here under the pad. Probably a screw right here under the pad as well. And it's a different size screw. Alright. Okay. So that's basically... By the way, the long screw goes right here. Okay, let's take this guy off. Okay. And the situation is this. This jack, I am not sure if I have it in stock. Let's see if I could take everything off. Right, so this one is a long one. All the other ones are not that long. Okay, let's remove this guy here. Now let me take a look if anybody is selling the jack first. Let's do 3. Well, everybody says that I have that jack in stock, so hopefully it's exactly the same jack as they think. Also, it's a model ux303 LA and LN. Alright. Slightly different, something slightly different about that jack from what I'm used to seeing. Let me see. The design is different, but anyways, let's see. It shows that the jack goes in a standard asus jack. So Yeah, the design is totally different. Let me compare it. Okay, so that's the jack that everybody sells right here. And will it fit? It should fit. But this is too flat. That's really strange. Maybe it's some sort of new reinforcement in there. Right, so here. They probably reinforced the jack. Alright, so like that. Like that. Remove the hard drive here. Like that. Okay. Move this guy. Like that. Remove this guy. Like that. Strange, somebody already was screwing around with it. Now, since when did asus started to build complicated laptops? I'm not sure. This is just too many different screws. Okay. So some tape everywhere. That's really strange. Alright, so let's take this guy out. Here's a... Okay, that's the latest thing. They're trying to put a hole in the motherboard to guide the keyboard through. Alright, so here is another. Well, the good news is that the jack is definitely broken. So here, right there, basically the top is broken. And where is my new jack? Right here. So if I'm gonna remove this guy, let's remove this tape. So basically the jacks look identical, right, from the top. And I just want to see, maybe I just don't want to have any surprises here. This will fit in just fine. The design is exactly the same. The length and width and everything, I can see that it's all the same. Seems the same to me. The only difference is here. This one has a square right here, right? And this one has a roundish end right there. So I'm not sure what exactly. My guess Because those jacks are the old type, probably they break so much. I will order this one. But this jack usually prone to breaking right here, the plastic prone to break. And they added this extra plastic right here so that the jack would have a lot more plastic, so it wouldn't be breaking that often. But I guess they still break. So yeah, let me desolder this jack and solder this one in, and let me transfer you to the soldering chamber. Right, you should be careful here because there is a light right next to it. Alright, so this is basically how it should look right here. Okay. Alright, so we were able to replace the jack. Now we just have to put it all back together. Let's get this thing here. Let's get the motherboard. Okay. So the first thing, you need to shove the keyboard cable through the hole, like that. And you have to guide the whole construction into the plastic, like that, like that, like that, like that, and like that. Wonderful. Let's see if the hole did get aligned. The hole is inside, so that's a good thing. Now you want to connect this cable right here, here, like that. Okay. Okay. Now here you want to connect this guy, and you want to connect the, I guess that's a touchpad. Maybe not. Let's see what exactly that is, but it's right here. Okay. All right. Okay, so speakers connected. Make sure not to forget to connect the battery when you put it all back together. It's the last thing you need to connect, but first you have to screw everything together, and only then you can connect the battery. So here, let's shove this guy here, connect this guy here, like that. We need to put screw right there first, like that. Now we need to add some thermal paste to the right here. Okay. All right. So next thing, we want to put the heatsink on top of the CPU. Make sure to squeeze the solder and squeeze the thermal compound a little bit around there. All right. So here, like that. Like that. Like that. And like that. Wonderful. Now, the longest one I think was here, like that. Okay. Now the rest of them come this way, guys. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to lock the hinge in place, connect the hinges here, right there. I'm not sure what kind of smartass decided to put a hinge on top of the motherboard. I mean, this is just stupid. When the hinge breaks, the motherboard breaks. And it's gonna break right next to the jack, and nothing you can do about it. Okay, so like that, like that. Like that. Here we go. and right there. Okay, we got few more screws. One probably gonna go right here. One gonna go right here. Okay. Alright, now so for hard drive. Hard drive. Okay, so we'll back a little bit. Object repair. Okay. Well, we got like 600 videos, but yeah, what's up? Like, what was the question? Well, did we fix it in the video? No, I mean, but in the video, right, but what you can do is you can just fast forward and see how we fix the hinge. Right? Right. Yep. Yeah, that's fine. Yep. All right. No problem. Thanks. Power check repair. Okay. So here. Guys, when you're watching one of our videos, there's no need to call us and ask us about some particular video because we got hundreds of videos online, and it's really hard to just come up from top of my head what exactly we did on one of the videos. So email a question or write a comment next to a video and write a comment next to what minute you're talking about. So yeah, I mean what minute of the video you mean to say. So alright, so here we got one right here. Now this screw is probably going not here, but it's going right there and not right here. But it's going right here. So the two silver screws go right there. This is gonna go right here. Alright, and the one right there and one right there are gonna be set in there. Okay. Like that. And like that. Okay. So I think we're all done here. You wanna put the no, you know what? Hold on 1 second. This one goes right here, and the long screw goes on the hinge right here. Okay, that's better. Alright. All of the screws in place. Not one more missing here. This guy comes out here. So don't put the short screws right in the hinge space. All the short screws go right here, and the long screw should go like that. Okay. Now what you want to do next is you want to put some insulation. Alright, insulation on top so it wouldn't be shorting. Okay, and you want to put some of the insulation right where you took this from. So I guess somewhere like that. Okay. Let's put the cover back on. Alright, let's put the big screws for the power jack repair. Alright, so here, tons of marketing calls. Don't you just hate that? Okay, so here. Okay, so like that. Alrighty. And the one screw goes right here. Okay, and all the short screws go right around the perimeter. Like that. Oh crap. Did I remember to connect the battery? That's a question I have. I always keep forgetting the battery connection. So I wanna take it apart and just double check. And because I was distracted by the screws. Let's hold on 1 second. Hopefully you watch the video first. Yeah, right here is the battery, right? So even though it looks like it's connected, you have to kind of push it in there to make sure it's connected, make sure the wires here are all connected. So one here, 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 here. This guy and that guy, they all should be connected. So now let's do this. Let's move that. Put this guy back in place. Alright, so again, let's start screwing it all back together. So 38 minutes to fix the jack, to replace the jack from this model. So if you're in Chicago, if you stop by, it will take pretty much 38 minutes. But this is the first system we work on, first model like that, so next model is gonna be much faster. So yeah, it's not the speed, it's so that the client wouldn't complain later on that something else doesn't work. Something has crashed out. So here. I'm just saying, in case you're from Chicago and you're watching this video and you want to see how long you'll have to wait for the laptop to be done, basically it's 40 minutes. Okay. But if you're not in Chicagoland, feel free to send us just the motherboard. If you send us just the motherboard, it's going to be 60 bucks. Or if you send the whole laptop, it's going to be 100 bucks total. Alright. Okay. So we put it all back together. Now let's see if we can get the power. Alright, so we plug in the cord, it's nice and tight. We press the power. Right there is asus. The search is incredible. And I have to enter a password, so anyways, some sort of BitLocker crap. But I guess it works, okay? Because the laptop was pretty dead and it's i5, okay? Again, thanks so much for watching. And we are at Power Jack Repair. We specialize in jack replacements on the laptops. Thank you so much. Have a good day.